welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna juice, but I don't really want to juice. I want to get all the fibers, so I'm gonna do my ninja with some pineapples, some turmeric and ginger, some apples, and I have the real turmeric here, some aloe, and here's the real ginger. Okay, let's talk about how cute this watermelon knife is, and it's really big. Okay, I need a watermelon, right? That would help. So I'm gonna put some of these greens from Herbalife in it to detoxify, alkaline, and balance. It's orange flavor. Some Sambucus black extract, black elderberry extract. It's for immune support. These are my vegan rainbow light prenatal vitamins. I always have it to remind myself. And I've been constipated lately, so I have some Dr. Schultz intestinal formula. And also, I'm really anal, right? I have some liver gallbladder herbal formula. And you see that? That works. It's really good. So let's get started. So we had to go and get some groceries, and also I had to go look at some other houses because our lease is up. Like I told you, it's coming up. We have like 2 more months or 3 months or something like that. But I've been looking for houses because now that I'm able to purchase my house, you already know, I'm house hunting. So now I don't no longer have to say I rent. I can say I own. Okay. Yes, sir. So we just here cruising. This was us cruising to see where we was going to live, what we was going to do, what was looking good. But we also was going to the supermarket. Look at this robot. Yeah. They do too much. But anyway, we went to Giants. Yes. And I had my reserve parking, as you can see. Yes, that's right. So I had children in the car with me. My friend was with me and her kids. So I had to make sure, honey, that we was parked in the front. Okay. So sorry about that. So what supermarket and grocery stores do y'all like to shop at? What do you get when you are shopping? Look how they did the snow over there. It's crazy. Don't it look like it's a summer day? It's freezing outside. It's like 8 degrees. But the sun's shining. This is crazy. It's like a real video game we living in. But do y'all shop at Giants? And what state are y'all in? So they have Giants everywhere. They just don't have it in New York. So that's where I'm from, and we do not have Giants or Wise or Kroger's or all these weird names. But they not weird to whoever lives out there, but they weird to me. They different. I'll say that. Right? They different, but they got a good old Red Lobster. They stuff is salty now, which is crazy. But I was wanting me some crab legs, honey. So, back to what I was telling y'all. So, in this video, we are going to go house hunting. And then we're also going to go and get some groceries. And we're going to go to Target. And I got some gas. And what else? Oh, and your girl has to go to the dentist. So, you're going to see all of that. Here's some of my Caribbean green seasoning. I was preparing for an order, and it is Nova's Kitchen on Etsy, on the Etsy shop. I'm about to get a website, so stay tuned, guys. The link is in my bio for my Etsy shop. Nova's Kitchen is one word. Okay, so like I promised, I am making her some Rice Krispie treats, and this is how I make it. It's only 3 ingredients. Butter, I use Blue Bonnet because it tastes so good, but you could use whatever butter you like. It doesn't matter what you could afford. And I put in marshmallows, the baby marshmallows, because they break up nice. The big ones, they take too long to melt to me because I don't like the fire to be too high. Because if you have it too high, it's going to burn the butter. You don't want burnt Rice Krispie treats flavor. I don't like nothing burnt. I throw anything out that even tastes crispy. I don't like fried chicken. I don't, anything burnt, I'm not with it. But that's me. That doesn't have to be you. If that's you, hey girl, hey. So this, and then the next thing you put in is the Rice Krispies. That's it. Yes, baby. Very good. So these are the 3 ingredients, and it's so good. It's going to be so fluffy, and I feel like the Rice Krispies Kellogg's in the store is so like sticky. I don't understand why, and it's so overwhelmingly sweet. So this, for my diabetics, I'm not saying this is good, but it's a better alternative because it's less, mess. It's less all them things that I can't pronounce. I'm not with it. I don't like eating nothing that I can't pronounce. So this is how it looks. And bon appetit. Because it's so good. It's so good. I mean, she loves it. And I feel better giving her that than giving her some gummies that have pork in it, because we don't eat that. So this, they have like some marshmallows that it says no gelatin. I don't know how that's possible, but listen. You do what you want to do. I do what I want to do. Enjoy what you like. Eat what you like, okay? You only live once. YOLO. So it was really hot when I did it. I basically took it out the pot and I put some sprinkles on it for her. Yes. Wow. And she loved it. It was so good. It was hot. Ooh-wee. My fingers was on fire. But put it on some parchment paper, because if you put it on foil, it's going to stick and you might be eating foil. Don't quote me on it, but you will. Trust me, because it's really hot. It's going to melt the foil. The parchment is really strong. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1.25. $1.25. So, you don't have no excuse. Look at it. Look. Ooh, beautiful. Yes, and delicious. I should make me some more. It's so delicious. I'm about to bake some chocolate chip cookies right now. I'm watching this, making me hungry. I'm such a foodie. Oh my god! That's okay. It's a lot of talking in this video. Sorry about that, because I was having some technical difficulties. I think it's retrograde going on. If y'all know, y'all know. So YouTube music has been acting up. But this is me at work. This is some of the stuff I do when I'm helping out in different departments. So sometimes I problem solve. Sometimes I go and I'm in logistics. Sometimes I'm going and I'm in sorting, packing, shipping, or everything. I swear. I don't know. In the back by the loading and undocking, I'm over it. This is me. 12 hours on my 12-hour shift, guys. Yes, I'm a hardworking mama. All right. So I'm about to do her hair, and I'm getting real good with it. So let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos I like, and enjoy. Okay, so what are the hairstyles that y'all like to do other than these cornrows? Like, this is for my moms and my sisters and everybody that like to braid. I'm not sure what kind of style to put in her hair for school, because the braids get fuzzy. I'm doing it every night. I'm tired. So let me know what kind of style, because when I put in those little pom-pom puffs, those are worse. Like, her hair gets so frizzy, I cannot. So y'all let me know. Yeah, I need help, because I cannot. Like, come on. I don't understand, like, what style I'm supposed to put. I'll do this, and then I'll show you after, like, the finished product. But you see how long her hair I gotta be braiding? Look at this. What? And then I gotta lean back. I mean, I practically need, like, a reclining chair to get this done. What's going on here? Like, can somebody please fill me in? So, other than that, we are getting ready to go to the dentist. I'm getting her ready, and she's gonna be at Dunkin', and she is taking my order. It was so cute. I picked up from school, and we went to our favorite Dunkin', of course. Everybody knows her. They're like, hi Nova, hi Nova, hi Nova. So we were like, hey Dunkin', hey Mr. Dunkin'. But it's so amazing. Like, I just love it. I love when I see her showing her personality and being herself, you know. I encourage it. So when it happens, I love to see her in her element, you know. So she gonna take my order and we gonna get it done, and then I'm gonna do some Rice Krispie treats, and then we gonna go to the dentist. So she gonna have her last hoorah and, you know, call it a day. Ooh, mommy did such a good job, right? Turn around, let me see. Ooh. So we had some technical difficulties again. Yeah, I heard in the background. I don't want to get copywritten. There was background music playing, but my girl started getting down with it. I was like, oh, hey now, you're an all-star. I was like, what? Ooh, fly like a bird, fly like a bird. Hi, can you take my order? I'm gonna have a small iced coffee. Are you gonna give me my miss? I don't like this service. You're not gonna give me my coffee? All right, I'm leaving. I don't get no coffee. I'm gonna get the small ice. Well, small ice. How cute was that? You have to admit that was so cute and hilarious. I was like, can I get my coffee? Like, miss, where you going? What kind of service is this? I'm not paying for this. But she was cracking up. And then she tried to throw the coffee at me. Oh my goodness. I can't deal with this girl. But how cute is her dentist's office? Okay. So she went and got her teeth cleaned, and I believe by the dental hygienist. And she told us referred us to a couple places. I picked this one because it was super clean and super nice, and they had great reviews. Ooh, but it's nice. So nice. So now we're going to see what she has to get done. Ooh, look at you. Nice. Can you see the dent?
MO decay. Good. And then a little facial on G. Yeah.